Let's jump into a biological breakthrough, how extreme cold and cellular resilience might completely redefine human longevity. Meet the bowhead whale. This incredible 80-ton giant thrives in freezing Arctic waters for over 2 centuries. With trillions of dividing cells, it should be a giant cancer factory. But astonishingly, it just isn't. This famous riddle, called Petto's paradox, has totally baffled scientists and biohackers for decades. Surprisingly, lab tests show their individual cells are actually more fragile than ours. Crazy, right? Their secret isn't preventing damage. It's fixing it flawlessly using a cold-activated protein called CIRBP. While we suffer messy genomic instability, they execute a flawless repair, don't replace DNA strategy. The crazy part? We can actually biohack this exact same repair mechanism in our own bodies. When DNA breaks, CIRP rushes in like a first responder, stabilizing ends for absolutely perfect repair. Incredibly, adding whale CIRBP to human cells in a lab literally doubled their genetic stability. So, how do we flood our own systems with this protective cold shock protein without whale genes? The catalyst is extreme cryotherapy. Plunging into minus 110 to 140 degrees Celsius perfectly triggers it. But flawless repair demands immense energy, bringing us to our cellular power plants, the mitochondria. To fuel this intense repair, our mitochondria absolutely must be protected from crippling oxidative stress. This is where VILAVI's CYP-XP complex and VitaWell step in, brilliantly shielding those cellular energy stations. Look at this clinical potency. T8 Extra delivers a massive 90% concentration of restorative polyprenols. These polyprenols rapidly repair mitochondrial membranes, keeping our vital energy production completely safe and running smoothly. Coupled with first cell sap, it delivers critical bioavailable iron and magnesium straight to the mitochondria. Extreme cold spikes, white blood cells, and T lymphocytes, driving immune mitochondrial crosstalk that VILAVI completely protects. So, are you ready to ditch messy aging, mimic the whale, and unlock your 200-year cellular resilience?